Alrighty, in this station we're going to be talking about scientific notation. We use scientific notation because it lets us take really large number or really small numbers and lets us represent them a little bit cleaner, a little bit easier. So let's do some examples and then you can do some on your own. We're also going to be talking about how to plug them into your calculator, which is probably the most important part of this lesson. So what you want to do, what you care about the decimal point in scientific notation. You're going to move the decimal point so that you have a digit in the ones place. You only want one digit in the ones place. So for this first one, we will take the decimal, we move it over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's in your third period science class, you'd be going to lunch right now. So we have 5.6 times 10 to the, since we moved it to the right, it's going to be to the negative 9th. You see a negative exponent, it's really small. If you see a positive exponent, it's really, really big. Let's do one more at the bottom. We move the decimal over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1.23 times 10 to the 8. So we have one digit in the ones place, and then we can have decimals past that. So let's talk about how to plug it into your calculator. Let's do some calculations. With this, what you really have to be careful, you have to be careful about where the exponent is going. The easiest way to do that is to use the EE function on your calculator. So the EE function, if you have a TI 8389 Inspire, you're going to have to use the second sign, not second sign at all, second comma. So you want to get to the EE button, and what EE stands for is times 10 to the. Ignore that second sign, all that jazz I just said, that was me rambling. So what you're going to plug into your calculator for this example, you will have 6.02 E. When you plug it into your calculator, it'll show up as E. Then you'll type 23. And it might be wise to put that in parentheses. You don't have to, but it might be wise. Divided by parentheses 1.2 E 24. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pull up a calculator on my computer so it's a little bit easier for you to see. Let me erase this real quick. Bring this to the side. So here is my calculator. You'll see my EE button right here. So what I'm going to do, parentheses, 6.02 E 23, close parentheses, divided by, open parentheses, 1.2 E 24 equals 0.5, well, numbers. So this answer is 0.5. Let's do another one where we multiply. This time we are multiplying to negative exponents. So we'll do, clear this, 4.3 E negative 4 times, see how this one automatically switched it? Some will do that, some won't. Times 3.2 E negative 4 equals, and we get to a really small number, which makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and convert this back to scientific notation. So I'll use green, hopefully you can see that well. Oh, this is not going to work, is it? Let's see if I can, nope, not working. So we move our decimal point over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 1.376 times 10 to the negative 7. So that's how you use scientific notation in a calculator. Go ahead, work through the problems, the sample problems on your lab station. If you have questions, let me know.